Welcome to Beyblade World by ZANKYE, and today we're going to be doing some awesome battles. So today for our Beyblade show, we have got the entire random booster right there, the whole random booster set, volume 11 if I am correct. And we're going to be doing battles with VISE Leopard, battling against all of the beys. We're going to go up to 3 rounds. This was really anticipated. I'll be using VISE Leopard, my father will be using all the other beys. So let's VISE Leopard against VISE Leopard. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. My frame of lift is on the low. Alright, that's red VISE Leopard, so 0 to 1, next round. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Alright, ooh! Big hits, big hits. I bursted! Alright, red VISE Leopard, 0 to 3. Let's move, let's actually do one more round for the fans. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. It's a few hits. I guess red VISE Leopard is stronger. All right, let's move on to our next booster. Try them. Both left frames are on the low. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. It's volcanic, so yeah. All right, 1 to nothing. Right, 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Ooh! Okay, that's screw trident. How many clicks? No clicks. Oh my god, wow. 1 to 2. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Okay, that's screw trident. So I'm losing so far. So next random booster. Do one more round with it. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. How about? Yeah, I don't know what happened. All right, VISE Leopard. If we want to count that, and it's 2-all, and if we're going to 3, then I guess we'll do one more round. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Yeah, just because VISE Leopard, I guess, so if we want to count those extra ones and not go up to 2, then it's VISE Leopard, so that means 1-1. This is now winning Valkyrie from the booster. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Alright, who's gonna get it? VISE are winning. For what I can tell, VISE Leopard with the thing lowered is a little bit better. It's 1 to nothing, so just because people might ask to switch it, what I'll do is I'll switch the lift. I'll switch the lift at the moment I can get it on right to top, and we'll see if it does any better. All right, 3, 2, 1, go shoot. I don't know. I feel like when it's up, it goes a little bit more around. We'll see if it's any different. All right, we'll do one more round. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Ooh, look at those jumps at the start. Yeah. 2-all, that's winning Valkyrie. So I think just because I wanted to try to change the lift, I'm going to just keep it lowered for the whole matches that we do. Just so people know, I think when the lift is lowered, it's probably at its best for this bay. So yeah, that's 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Who's it gonna be? Winning Valkyrie, 2 to 3. Arc Bahamut, 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Arc Bahamut didn't look too strong. I don't know. Yeah, Arc Bahamut's not really that strong in this booster. Alright, so 2 to nothing. Alright. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Look at that. Good thing we caught it. Alright, so that is 4 to nothing. let's move on to our next bay. Or, well, yeah, we'll do one more round. That's fair. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Let's see how with no contact if it's any better. It's gonna burst. It's like Crash Ragnarok's level. Yep, Vice Leopard, so let us move on to our next bay. Nightmare Longinus, 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Let's see how these go. So they gave it Planet for some reason. I'm not too sure how strong this bay is, but I don't know. Yeah, Vice Leopard, 1-0. All right, 3, 2, 1, go shoot. See how full attack. Ooh, 2-1. Or 3-0. 3-0. 3-0. We're gonna do one more round for the fans. Nothing. We'll do one more round. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Ooh, 2-all. All right, let's do another round. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. I knocked it out, so I guess that's Vice Leopard. Let us move on to our next. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. The Fornius combo sucks, the layer sucks, and the bay's bad. So, yeah. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. I hate this Fornius combo. I hate it. Yeah, look at those hits. Wow. I hate this Fornius. Yeah, we're gonna do one more round. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Look, I'll be nice. Hey, it got back in somehow. Radical. Whoa. Bad Fornius combo is dead. Let's move on to our last bay, which is a blue bloody Longinus. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Look at those jumps. Who do you say that was? Ty? All right. Draw. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Ooh, bloody Longinus. 2-0 or 0-2, I guess. No clicks. Oh my God. All right, let's do it. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. That combo is tight on bloody. Ooh, we'll do one more round. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. There's no way that bay's not getting phased. What? Is this like the new Fornius? Is this like, what is this? What is this? Is it just really tight? It is. So this clearly is like the best one in the whole random booster. My God. My opinion on Vice Leopard. What do you think of Vice Leopard? The comments want to know. 50-50? I give this like a 6 out of 10 so far, so I don't know. Stay tuned. I hate Fornius. Fornius is like the worst one in this one. Yeah. Stay tuned for our Vice Leopard versus all of Cho Z. That'll be an epic video, and I'm sure the the subscribers and the fans will love to see it, but make sure you click that bell to be notified for uploads. That was an amazing video. Make sure to hit that like button, show your support, subscribe if you haven't already, and if you already are subscribed, make sure you click that bell to be notified for uploads, and as always, have an awesome burst-filled day.